In sports, we look to football. Many Jamaican youngsters dream of being professional footballers and playing in the European League. The Pheonix All-Star Football Academy is making those dreams a reality for many. Many scouts were calling after a team from the academy toured England in August 2021. 11 of the youngsters have since been awarded full scholarships to attend football academies in Europe. More from Marlon Samuels.
Jamaica's football program has a very bright future. Members of the Pheonix All-Star Football Academy blew football scouts away with their elite level performance and mastery of football during a tour of the United Kingdom, August 12 to 27, 2021.
You were very instrumental in helping them to leave the island to go on the tour, and we want to let you know that these boys here went to England and beat the FA Cup under 19 champions. Aston Villa FC. They also beat the league champions of England under 18 by 5-0, Crystal Palace. And they beat 6 other teams, Reading, Brentford, Harbour Town. Who else, boys? Port Vale, Colchester. So we have gone and made our mark immediately. 11 of our players have been offered opportunities. The top scorer of our tour was Dujon Richards with 16 goals.
15-year-old Dujon Richards and Marius Sims are heading to Belgium. 16-year-old Thierry Mills and Jade Clark left the island to take up full scholarships at Brookhouse College Football Academy in England.
I'd be there for 2 years, from now till 2023.
It's a wonderful feeling, sir, because I'm an Arsenal fan, and for them young, I watch football and them thing there. So eventually, that's why I'm named Thierry, because Thierry, him name after Thierry Henry. So obviously, he would have to come be a baller, but in terms of opportunity, great opportunity, and he must just grab it with both hands, work hard, and just know say whatever him do over there, him just try to do it to the best of his ability. So whatever they do, he and Jade, it can also reflect back on the younger ones them to come.
Xander Beeknell and Dante Peralta are at St. George's College in Cologne, Germany. A football academy is the last stage before young footballers sign professional contracts. The Jamaican players have been assisted in a variety of ways on this life-changing journey by the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sports. The footballers will benefit from the Athletes Insurance Plan.
I make a commitment today to see to it that those of you who have reached the level of playing internationally or nationally, that you will be included in this insurance program.
Minister, we want to thank you not for what you're doing for us only, but for what you're doing for our country. The efforts that you've made over the years in sports, in culture, in the entertainment industry, how you have seamlessly flowed through all areas and pushed our country to the top in those fields.
The Pheonix All-Star Football Academy has been creating tremendous opportunities and investment worldwide for young people in football. The club has members in Jamaica. Members are also to be found in the Caribbean, the United States of America, Canada, Dubai, Qatar, Africa, Europe, China, and England.
At 19, I went away and I played professional football. But I never forgot my academics, right? So I want to say to you, grab the opportunity that is presented. These 2 young men going there. But part of that development as a human being is what you do after your playing career is over. So you can't be thinking too much of that now, but you need to have it in the back of your mind. You have to develop other skills which help you in sport.
For the news on PBCJ, I am Marlon Samuels.